You're planning a trip to Southeast Asia, excited to explore vibrant cities like Bangkok or Kuala Lumpur. But amidst the excitement, a question lingers: can you, as a foreigner, actually use Grabpay? Let's be honest, navigating a new country's payment systems can be a bit daunting. You worry about unfamiliar currencies, limited card acceptance, and the potential for unexpected fees. Well, fear not, fellow traveler. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Grabpay and figuring out if this popular e-wallet is accessible to you. What is Grabpay? For the uninitiated, Grabpay is a digital wallet and mobile payment service offered by Grab, a leading ride-hailing and on-demand delivery platform in Southeast Asia. Think of it as their version of Apple Pay or Google Pay, but with a much wider range of services. Can foreigners use Grabpay? The good news is, yes, foreigners can generally use Grabpay. However, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Account creation: you'll typically need a local mobile phone number to register for a Grab account. Workaround: consider using a local SIM card during your trip or explore options like eSIMs for temporary local numbers. Funding your account. Top-up options: you can usually top up your Grabpay balance using credit/debit cards. International cards are often accepted. Local ATMs: withdraw cash and top up your account in-app. In-app transfers: if possible, arrange for funds to be transferred to your Grabpay wallet by a local friend or contact. Usage: once your account is funded, you can use Grabpay for a wide range of services. Grab rides: book and pay for Grab rides, cars, bikes, taxis seamlessly. Food delivery: order food from your favorite restaurants and pay conveniently. Shopping: use Grabpay at participating merchants across Southeast Asia. Bill payments: pay utility bills, top up mobile phones, and more. Tips for foreigners: download the Grab app. Before your trip, download the Grab app on your smartphone. This will allow you to familiarize yourself with the interface and explore available services. Check for any country-specific restrictions. While generally accessible, there might be slight variations in features or availability depending on the country you're visiting. Enable in-app language settings. Change the app language to English for easier navigation. Keep your account secure. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Benefits of using Grabpay: convenience: seamlessly pay for a wide range of services without the hassle of carrying cash. Cost-effective: often offers competitive prices and exclusive deals. Contactless payments: promote safer and more hygienic transactions. Rewards programs: earn points and rewards for your Grabpay usage. So, there you have it. While there might be a few minor hurdles to overcome, foreigners can indeed utilize Grabpay during their travels in Southeast Asia. By understanding the key considerations and following these tips, you can unlock a convenient and rewarding payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.